In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your eBay account with your Wix store, a handy tool for those looking to streamline their e-commerce operations. This process is perfect for anyone looking to boost efficiency, gain better control over their inventory, and simplify the management of orders across platforms. First things first, let's open up Google Chrome and log into your Wix account. Make sure you're using a browser that you're comfortable with and where your passwords are saved, as this will make your life a bit easier. Once you're logged in, you should be directed straight to your Wix dashboard. Now, if you look over to the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu bar. What we're interested in today is the Apps section. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking Apps, you'll be presented with a variety of applications that you can use to enhance your Wix site. There's a search bar prominently displayed, and this is where you'll want to type in eBay integration. As you type, you'll notice the results start popping up. We want to find the official eBay integration app. Once you spot it, click Add to install the app. Do take a moment to review the app's permissions and requirements to ensure it fits your needs. Adding this app will prompt you to connect your eBay seller account, a straightforward but crucial step in syncing both platforms. Here, it's essential to have your eBay seller account information ready because you'll need to log in and authorize the integration. A secure connection between your eBay account and your Wix store is central to this process, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. Follow the on-screen prompts, enter your eBay credentials, and confirm that you permit the app to access your account. This step ensures that both platforms are in sync and can efficiently exchange data. Once you've successfully connected your accounts, the next part of the process is syncing your eBay listings with your Wix store. This step is wonderful for avoiding the hassle of uploading each listing manually. By syncing, you're effectively mirroring your eBay listings onto your Wix storefront, which not only saves time but also helps reduce errors. Check that all your listings have synced correctly, ensuring product details, pricing, and images are consistent across the board. Finally, managing your orders and inventory directly from the Wix dashboard is your reward for setting all this up. With your stores integrated, you can have an overview of both sites' orders and inventory all in one place. The central management console allows you to streamline operations, avoiding overselling and maintaining an up-to-date inventory. Take advantage of this feature to efficiently navigate between your platforms with ease, ultimately enhancing your business's productivity and customer satisfaction. And there you have it. With these steps, you've integrated eBay with Wix, creating a more cohesive, user-friendly experience for both you and your customers. Utilize these tools to manage your store effortlessly and watch your business grow. Enjoy optimizing your workflow.